And I would like to invite the next speaker. It's Oleg. He is a skilled engineer, and his technical awareness promoted him from the position of support manager to the position of senior project manager. Oleg knows how to solve difficult technical issues and knows how to best use PortaSwitch for voice over LTE service. Applause to Oleg.
Hello, everyone. Hope you enjoy the conference. Today we'll discuss a project I've been working on for last year. Strangely, it's the last slide. Oops. Why it starts from the last one? Okay, so IMS and VoLTE with PortaSIP. Before VoLTE and IMS era, you probably had tough times because on one hand, you had very good feature-rich VoIP services with call centrics, with rich offering to business customer, appealing to quite wide audience. On the other hand, you had quite limited mobile offering as an MVNO because you had to deal with what MNO provided you, like limited set of interfaces, mainly CDR importers and other stuff. In best case, real-time charging, but not always. With VoLTE and IMS, your customer just grabs a mobile phone, dials some number, and it works. It works through IMS with all IMS features and benefits, like fast connection, HD quality, and other things. So what has changed? IMS uses SIP protocol. That's why your customers can use the service through your PortaSIP, having all possible features and things we've developed for the years. And what's the most important here is that your customers don't have to download any apps. It uses native dialer and go through your PortaSwitch. So how does it work from technology perspective? Like what kind of technological innovation it's based on? When there is a call from your subscriber, when somebody dials on a mobile phone some number, it gets to IMS core. And IMS core queries HSS database, which understands that this is a call from your subscriber or to your subscriber, and that's why it has to be sent to your PortaSIP as an application server. In this case, call gets to PortaSIP, and it's up to PortaSIP to decide what to do with this call. It may send the call back to mobile core to get it delivered to the mobile device, or may apply some other application logic to enrich this scenario. What's the most important in this situation? The most important thing is that all the integration is based on standard capabilities of IMS. So it uses standard interfaces like ISC. It uses standard functionality like initial filter criteria, which allows you to plug your PortaSIP into the service invocation chain. If you know any mobile network operators in your country who are IMS compliant and have VoLTE, you can plug your PortaSwitch into the service chain. So let's go through the use scenarios. Like first scenario we want to start with is about adding VoLTE service to the existing 4G networks. There are quite a number of PortaOne customers having their own LTE networks deployed initially without VoLTE, probably because of budget constraints or some other situations. Now they can benefit from our development and get this solution on a budget. They can use existing HSS, they can use PortaSwitch, and get only elements they need, like CSCFs, from one of our technological partners like PortaOne. Interop with PortaOne is already in progress, and we expect to receive the results this fall. The second scenario is probably more interesting to those who already does MVNO business or thinks about it. It's about enhancing the current offering with new features and services. So yeah, of course, you can launch MVNO. You can do the plain old good mobile, like offering only calls. Or you can do something really feature-rich, something appealing to businesses, like Phonect does. So previous presentation was about that. So how you can use PortaSwitch to increase your market position, get more sales, or maybe even sell old good features at mobile rates. So congratulations. Your PortaSwitch is now an IMS application server. Let's monetize it, increase your market shares, and provide services you've honed to perfection. So let's make it real. Thank you.